Nangyari sa'yo?
Hindi ko nabot yung nota.
Oh. Pero ayun. Hi guys! Welcome po sa Planet Azure.
Blue.
Meron pala akong dialogue dito. Joas! We're down to our last mission.
Oh. Grabe no? What a night! Wow. Hindi na talaga. Hindi, parang kailan lang kasi we started this journey, unsure where it would take us. Kasi, yun nga, tulad ng konsepto namin dito, planet after planet, we faced the light, the chaos, the pain, and then finally, the healing. Ano ba? Ano ba yan kasi?
Ano nangyayari dito?
Ano ba yun? Okay. Pala. Kuya? Kuya natanggal. Kuya natanggal. Thank you, kuya. Okay na. Hindi, pero ayun. Dito natin ma-realize sa last planet na to, na every step, every song, every moment has led us here with all of you.
Wow. This journey was never just ours. It belongs to all of you. Everyone who believed, who showed up, who kept shining even when life felt heavy. Kayo ang tunay na bituin sa bawat planeta ng aming kalawakan. Kayo ang rason kung bakit patuloy kaming lumilipad, kung bakit hindi kami sumusuko.
Yeah! And ayun. Pero syempre, hindi natin tatapusin tong night na to kung hindi narinig kumanta tong tatlong to. Gusto nyo ba yun, guys? Gusto nyo ba sila marinig kumanta, guys? Pero ayun. Si Jay, ala? Ala, mag-hi ka na kasi sa kanila. Hi, guys. Love you daw. Rapping boy na yun, ah. Hi, guys. Okay. Pero ayun, gusto namin, ito kasi yung message ng Stardust. Bakit nga Stardust? Kasi minsan guys, akala natin Stardust is about light, about being bright and beautiful. Pero ngayong gabi, natutuhan natin na ito rin ay tungkol sa mga basag na parte, sa mga emosyon na matagal na nating kinikimkim. And that's okay. Kasi doon natin nakikita kung gaano tayo katibay, kaganda at katao. And ayun, as we rich, mayaman. As we reach the end of this mission, let this night remind you, Stardust never fades. Ganda, di ba?
Ulitin mo yung last line.
Okay, isa pa. Stardust never fades.
It stays in our hearts, in our memories, and in every connection.
Memories.
Memories.
Kamay ko. So, galing kasi
Thank you.
Ayan. And ayun, kahit maghiwalay ang landas natin ngayon guys after this night, we hope, ito lang yan, we hope you continue to carry every particle of stardust you were Nauutal na tuloy ako. Then, we hope that you carry and spread every particle of stardust you've gathered tonight. Galing, di ba? And share its light wherever you go. Everybody stand up there. Okay. Sorry, same ba tayo ng humor dito? Baka mamaya. Oo, may iniwan nyo na kami sa kanal eh. Same ba rin?
Okay na, okay na.
Okay.
May ghosting lang tayo.
Okay, sige.
Pot!
Go.
Joas,
Seryoso pala.
medyo seryoso pa. Joas, thank you for sharing your light with us. Thank you for making our universe shine brighter than ever.
Amen po. Amen!
Meron pa. English ulit. This may be our last mission for tonight. But it will never be the last time that we will shine together. And the winner is... Post pala.
Because we'll keep seeing our hearts out until we all turn into stardust.